Hello everyone, my name is Nick and today we are back with the brand new unboxing video of the Massdrop Sennheiser collaborated HD650 aka HD6XX headphones. Now the box, as you can see, is pretty big. This is similar to the normal 650 but black and white color is used in the outer packaging, as you can see, and you have the Massdrop logo everywhere. So as you can see, you have the serial number, you have the item number, model number, so a lot of these stuffs which you normally have with the Sennheiser packaging, and 2 years of warranty. Now the 6XX, like any other 600 series headphone, is also made in Ireland, which is great. Let's open the box now. Size wise, the box is same to the normal packaging because you still have that premium cardboard case, which is actually awesome when you're getting all this stuff at only $200 price range. So oh man, you have this premium cardboard case which is so big. Now let's open this. I'm so excited to see the headphones. Oh man, this look fucking amazing. I've been waiting for these headphones to arrive almost a year now. Not a year, I think 8 months. So that is a pretty long time. I ordered this back in June. So this is the manual, which also has the black and white coloring, quite similar to the box. The headphones, oh man, they look fucking amazing. Is all wrapped in foam nicely, so your investment is well protected from any transit mishandling, damage or stuff like that. Now this is an open back dynamic driver headphone, which you can clearly see when you see the ear cups because it is completely open. The driver is in the center, as you can see, so everything you listen to it, the headphone is going to leak the sounds at almost your own listening levels. So you also have the Massdrop logo in the right side and you have the serial number at the left. So it is pretty great to feel rather how Sennheiser has maintained their premium quality, and also provided the headphones at such a nice rate, so which is awesome. I really appreciate Massdrop and Sennheiser for doing this drop and making these fantastic legendary headphones available to a lot of people who couldn't have never thought of buying this headphone. The cable, as you can see, is a short cable, much shorter than the one you normally get with the 650 one. This is a 1.5 meter cable, I guess, and now this cable terminates into a 3.5 millimeter adapter with a 6.3 millimeter jack on it. The normal cable was terminated to a 6.3 millimeter jack directly, which is a 1/4 inch jack, and then you had a small piece of adapter through which you can convert it into a 3.5 millimeter jack, but this is not the case with these headphones now. And the color obviously is even more sexier with the midnight blue accents all over. Now everything else remains the same. The cable is the same, is shorter, but it still feels the same and it is detachable. So when you're gonna unbox this, you're never going to feel that this is a $200 headphone. This feels like a $500 premium headphone. You have the Sennheiser logo on the top. The headband padding is exactly similar. The ear pads are exactly similar as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video. I'll be back with the review of this video of this headphone sooner than you might expect. So I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take it easy and stay tuned for more.